Hello, this is Rahul from Group 3. Over the past week, I have worked on collecting numerous datasets which will be used in the recommender system, sentiment analysis, and also for the interest profiler aspect of our system. I'm also been working on the user feedback section, so I created a Google Form questionnaire and passed it to a few of target users that we have identified over the past couple of weeks, and I've also collected all the feedback and documented it properly. I will be committing this questionnaire and the results to the GitHub repository shortly, and we will be working on improving the website and improving the system as a whole based on their feedback. I've also helped my teammates develop the interest profiler and also helped with the recommender system code a little bit. That's it for this week, and I'll be working more on the feedback and more on the 2D game over the next couple of weeks. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sanvit from Group 3. So for this week, as per the feedback we received from last week, we have started collecting the major data sets which we'll be using for sentiment analysis, recommender system, interest profiler, and the college rate predictor. So I personally collected 4 plus data set myself, and in total we have 10 plus data set for in this week itself, and they are really going to be useful. And we have already started using 2 data set in the recommender system for predicting the university and the course. And for the interest profiler, we are going to use a charted data set which will show the career options for the students. And for the evaluation part, as the evaluation report is coming closer, we have started working on it. I'm working with Rahul to create a to get all the feedbacks from the user, specifically the flow of the game. And I'm also working on like collecting data for flow of the game as well for evaluation, as well as I'm working with Mehul to find a way to integrate our backend and front end using APIs. Thank you. That's it from MB.
Hi, this is Rakshit Gonsalves from Group 3, and for this week, what I did was we give a complete handover of the UI to Mehul. So Mehul is working on the UI part. Also, Sadesh is working with him with the Figma. Uh, for me right now, the main data focus is on collecting the data. So I have found a website that gives us a lot of data in the format we need. So I'm currently working on scraping it. I'm scraping data for all the universities, and I hope to merge them and clean them out so that we can use them on our site. The only problem we have in that is I don't have description of all the courses, and I'll have to use some kind of a fetch method to get the description at the front end. uh, yeah, that's mostly the most important thing, the data set. And last but not the least is we are all working on the evaluation. How will we evaluate our project? So yeah, that's it for this week. Yeah, thank you.
Hello guys, good morning. Mayuri here from Group 3. So for this week I have worked on the dataset collection. So there I have collected two database which for the from the website. There are many attributes such as universities, the all the Irish universities. So there are 64 universities. So and the rankings of that, the CEO scores, the student's name, the courses, and different attributes. So I have collected two separate database. Then I have worked on the user evaluation report. There I have done the research question, proposed some hypotheses, and then done the data collection for user evaluation. Then I also worked on the recommendation part. So I have done three algorithms, implemented three models. First one the random forest, the second one the SVM, and the third one according to the collaboration based recommendation system. And we are in future on the basis of popularity we are going to do that. So that's all from my side for this week. Thank you.
Hi, this is Mehul from Group 3. This week I started working with APIs and try to get our web application dynamic and display data from database and machine learning part. In order to connect our Node.js app with Python app, I did not know how to connect, so I had to do research on that, and I came up with a solution that we can use Bluebird package in Node.js, which can help us create APIs and transfer data from Node.js app to Python app. And in Python app we can use Flask and request packages which can generate APIs, and in output they can give JSON data. Using this JSON data we can again have it in Node.js, and APIs will be created, and accordingly this APIs we can use in our front end using Axios package. So this was about web application part, and I also started with user evaluation report, and in that I'm focusing on qualitative questionnaire questions. Yeah, this was pretty much my update for this week. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so I'm Satish Patil and I'm from Group 3 Fog the Data. And in this week 7, I have been started working on the data that is required for the API building for the dynamic website, which was static earlier. So I've been making some structural changes that have been required for the API building, so which can be implemented in our website. And after that, we have also decided to add one more feature to the website, that is the acceptance rate of for the university. So I have built the front end page for that as well and added to the website. And after that, I have also started working on the user evaluation assessment, which has been required for the coming weeks, and I'm still working on it, on the assessment. Thank you.